Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Notre-Dame-de-Grace, local and long-distance movers near me. Finding and hiring the cheap Notre-Dame-de-Grace moving company you need isn't easy. 3 Movers offers the dependability you need and incredibly affordable moving rates. Our team offers plenty of help when you need to be relocated. Whether you're moving across the country or just up the road, we can help you get there in a variety of efficient ways. We provide you with all the right long-distance moving options to complete your move, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Our team of movers will make your relocation simple. We take your long-distance move and make it so much easier. When you need to move across the country or just 100 miles to the next city, you'll get the help you need from us. Hiring a Canada moving company for your local move makes sense. The right team of movers will provide you with the right services you need to get to your new location with more time and energy. You won't have to worry about any heavy lifting either. 3 Movers offers the right options to make sure you get the best local move possible. We use a streamlined process to make it faster, more efficiently, and so much easier to move locally. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Notre-Dame-de-Grace moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.